This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that...
Hey guys, so I just want to show you guys how I made this. So starting from here, I measured 13 this is actually 12.5 inches. Okay, that's the width of the full frontal. Then I took a measurement of I think 4.5. okay, that's from the middle part to this end, 4.5, but I added extra 5 inches, you know, for just extra in front of it. After the next thing I did was to fold it. So you see, I folded it and I made this marking just to add this curve to it before finally cutting it out. There it is. And when I open it up, so when I open it up, this is what we have. This is what we have. So I'll go ahead and place it on the head of my mannequin and show you guys. Start by, I already took my 13 inches measurement on both sides. So I place this at the middle. Okay, I place this at the middle. Just need it to stay put like that. So next I'm going to pin it down by this side. Take it down and pin it there. So after this, I'll just pull it back a little bit because I really don't want folds. Okay, and I'll start pinning. So guys, this is what it looks like after sewing it down. So I'm just going to turn it over to the other side and then remove this inner part, that's the black part. So guys, I've already marked out my front hairline with that brown concealer, as you can see on the mannequin. At this point, we are done ventilating the hair completely. It took 3 days and I didn't make any visible pattern. I just wanted it to be as natural as possible. So here are the markings on the wig cap. So the distance from one to the other, as you can see, are just 2 fingers. Then the upper part is 1 single finger going in between. So this is the remaining bundle. The hair is full. I decided to make use of just 1 pack, okay, because I didn't want it to be too full. So right here I'm using the zigzag stitch. Okay, don't use straight stitch, otherwise the wig may end up not fitting into your hair. So I used the zigzag stitch at this point. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the remaining part of this video because it's just self-explanatory. I'm done at this point. I think the next video I'll be doing will be a more detailed tutorial on how to make a wig properly. Okay, and of late I've just been getting requests on all my clients want full frontal. So I don't know, maybe we'll be doing more of full frontals. And I have a 5x5, I think, closure wig coming up as well, you know, so, and a braided wig as well. So just stay tuned, I'll be sharing everything with you guys. Okay, so enjoy the remaining parts of the video and have a nice time. Do watch to the end though, because you may learn 1 or 2 ways I was able to lay down the hairs properly. So later guys, have a nice time and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any question and like the video. Please guys, I need your support. Have a nice time. Bye.